So hi guys, I wanted to explain a bit better how to remove this cap. There are many tutorials, but none explains every single step. So first of all, I made some mistakes on the other side and broke something, but now I'm gonna tell you how to do it not to break anything. So first of all, you need to remove the glass that knows everyone to do. So just put your finger on this side and put it out. It's gonna be tough, but yeah, you can do it. After that, you need to remove this screw, and this screw. So those three. And I saw that some people say that have one screw here and one screw there. I don't have them on either side. After you remove those, you're gonna go underneath and put a pry tool between these two and push it out. So you need to push this one out because there are small tabs here. So you push it out and up. So this black part comes down. After that, you have one tab here, one tab here. You're gonna push them and just a little bit push it out. And after that, you have one tab here that holds the turn signal, but the turn signal comes out with the cap. So you need also to push it out. After that, you have one the same like this, you have on this side. So if you have a screwdriver or something that is bent like this, you can easily go underneath and push it back so that this cap goes upwards very easily. If you don't have, like I didn't, you're gonna just wiggle it a little bit from this side, but don't do it too much. I done too much and I broke this one because it's gone only on one side and this one broke. So you wiggle it out. After that, it's gonna be very easily to bring it back. So just keep in mind, tabs here, small tabs, these two tabs here and here, this one here, and the same one on this side. You're gonna be careful with those.